Hello again, friends and fellow collectors. So this video here is going to be my answer to Paul Schwach, the Diecast Guys mid-engine car challenge. This is not all the mid-engine cars that I have, but I just grabbed a few that I wanted to show for the challenge. So I'll go ahead and get started. So we have this right here, Ferrari 288 GTO. So that one's a little beat up, but nonetheless a great car. I do have a whole bunch of Ferraris that are carded. And then we got this Tomica. This is the 308 GTB, one of my favorite body style Porsches, or Ferraris. Jeez, I'm cruel. It's been a long weekend, guys. You guys know I love Porsches, so, and my Ferraris. And then we got these two of the Jaguar XJ220. Another one of my favorite mid-engine cars. Then we got the Saleen S7. Another great car. And we got the Ferrari 360 Modena, or Mona, however you pronounce it. Then we got the Enzo Ferrari. And then we have a 458 Italia Spider. Then I believe this would be considered a mid-engine car, the 512M of the Ferrari. Then we have this Ferrari F50. This Matchbox moving parts Corvette. Then we got this 430 Scuderia Ferrari. Then I have the Maserati MC12. And then last but not least, we have the Lotus Europa. I do have the pink one carded. This is an older one that I have, and I do like this model Lotus. So anyways, go over and check out Paul Schwach, the Diecast Guys channel. Great guy, great challenge, a lot of nice cars. So this is my answer. Like I said, I have a lot more than this, but I just wanted to show a few that I had. Go check him out, follow him, watch his videos, give him thumbs up. Hope everybody has a great rest of your weekend, and we'll catch you in the next one.